That Lennox Cockbeard there's the 06 beard.
Text radio to 80806 now. That's radio to 80806.
Here's a quick tip for the garden from Bridgemere Nursery and Garden World.
Summer's coming. Time to get out the sun lounges and fire up
All the young
barbie.
ones following the father around for feed, so he hasn't been feeding him very much. He's too interested in the air. Now the Lennox seems really close.
Right now we've got 20% off garden furniture and barbecues at Bridgemere Nursery and Garden World, Nantwich. Selected lines only. Terms and conditions apply. Don't miss the market at
Eccleshall this Monday
between 9 AM and 4 PM. There'll be thousands of bargains on sale, amusements for the kids and much more. There's a large car boot sale and car booters are welcome at Eccleshall Market. This Bank Holiday Monday, bring your family along to the market at Eccleshall, Swinnerton Road, just off the A519 Eccleshall to Newcastle Road.
When you buy a fantastic sofa or dining furniture in the harvest sale, it can make your teeth shiny white, your hair silky smooth, and your bum will never look big in anything ever again. Okay, we can't guarantee it'll do any of those things, but it'll definitely save you money. A harvest sale with final reductions ends Tuesday. Find the local harvest store at harvestfurniture.co.uk. The office, it's full of jargon. It's all about econometrics, avoiding cyber slacking, and managing your glide path. At Staples, you don't get jargon, you just get great deals, like this superb HP print bundle, the wireless OfficeJet 46324 in 1 printer, HP bright white paper, ideal for presentations, and black ink cartridge, all for $69.99, saving you over £40. Shop at your nearest store or online now at staples.co.uk. Staples, that was easy.
Your road to a winner, Ken Jervis Kia. Where can you buy a Kia approved used car with 7 years award-winning Kia warranty? At Ken Jervis Kia, of course. At Ken Jervis Kia, peace of mind comes free with every Kia approved used car. So you can rest assured that your road to a winner, Ken Jervis Kia. Your multi-award-winning Kia dealership on Combridge Road, Hanley.
Karen here. Get ready for your holiday or special occasion at Bespoke Beauty.
0172618
For up-to-date travel news across the region, tune in throughout the day. Or go to our website for the very latest information.
You hear that? That's freedom calling you. Freedom wants to know why you're not out on the road, why you're not making the most of an extra 10% off all car stereos and sat-navs, including a TomTom with European map updates for life for only $98.99. Halfords, keep on rolling. TomTom was under $9.99. Extra 10% off must end Monday. Visit Halfords in-store online now and feel free.
I think that's where the Lennox will end up.